All right. Why did the little green pea, why did he fall asleep in class? He was a sleepy. Sleepy. Okay. So we've learned how to collect all the different data, all the different random samples, stratified random, systematic. We've learned about census as well. Let's figure out now what to do with all this data. We're going to figure out how to represent it. Now, the first thing that we kind of do is we use these kind of frequency distribution tables, and it's just a convenient display. It keeps it bare minimum, but it helps me to read all the information a little bit easier than if I just gave you like 12 random numbers. Okay, so an example would look like this. Like let's say a random team, their scores are recorded over the season. Those are their scores: 5-0, 1-2, 5-4, 4-5, 2-0. Now that there is not very helpful to me, but what I could do is I could organize it in something like this. Now, can I highlight the most important ones that you'll need is generally you will have a score column, which is generally X. That's how they say score. And then you'll have a frequency column, which is generally F. Okay. Now the tally one is just kind of for you, but they'll have it in there somewhere. But I don't think the tally one is super necessary unless you're working with bigger numbers. But let me show you how it works. So let's count the numbers off one by one and put them in the table. So with 5, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross it out there, add one tally there. 0, cross it out there. 1, cross it out there. 2, cross it out there. 5, another one there. 4, 4, 5, 2, and 0. Now you can kind of see here, it's easy to count up. There's 2 zeros, 1, 1, 2 2s, 0 3s, 2 4s, and 3 5s. So you can see here, I can see my score very easily. How many times did 0 come up? Twice. How many times did 1 come up? Once. 2 came up 2 times, and you get the idea. Now the tally, again, looks a little bit stupid for this example. Yeah, because there's only like 10 scores. But had there been 20 or 30, you may want to put a tally column in just to keep track of everything that you do. Okay. Now there's one more type, and sometimes what happens is, say for example, if there's a bigger spread of scores, instead of doing like 1 for 78 and 79 and 90, what we do is we use kind of classes or a range. Okay, using classes is kind of like a range. So a class is kind of like a range, and what you want to do is you just want to figure out how many scores fit within that range. Okay, so it says a class here recorded their test results. And this could be you. Hopefully you're one of these. 78%, that's in the 70 to 70. Ooh, let's not do that. Let's pick someone who 78%, he lives within that class between 70 and 79. 82, he lives within the 80 range. 63 lives within that range. 44 lives in that range. 76, and you keep going all the way through. 91, 98, 77. Hope someone in this class will get that 98. 77 fits in here. 68 fits in here. 71 fits in here. So you can see here that the class average was kind of a little bit obvious. There's 1 between 40 and 49, 2 between 60 and 69. I assume that's 0. And so there's 4 in there, 1 in there, 2 in there. And that there is all you'll be doing for this lesson, just collecting data and organizing it in a table. Okay. Hope that helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later. Bye.